Not what I did.
20% of the verbs do 90% of the work.
Huh?
Like 20% of the verbs do 90% of the work.
Yeah. So this is the way you do it. That gur and nar is what you do for most verbs in Irish. The go and nach is for the 6 irregular verbs that do that. Okay. So that one, go rev. Okay. So lig she'er go rev she. He pretended that he was Alev reading it. Okay. So dairi she mi compordach. Mar go rev gach dinne ag our care. Agus hog she irish on mord. Agus lig she go rev she Alev. So what we're going to do is go through, I'll read it through one time, then go around. So, Tarish the Holam a wonk a chur an olas, fwy na carti credvasa a gidjuai, agus nuad a bhí shechlauer nua, agus burla noti aragid na foca ege, hui she chuig na gardi, agus hog sonri dóibh meadri leis an borsh. De gna, ag an trasio den lá, heach she hig bíla an galanta, chun nó na chahab. Ach ní raibh ein gila ige anish, agus bhí imriir fwy na chláinse. Le tamala nuas bhíoch mairan in a chean, agus uoranta bhíoch sé chospadanta sin, go míoch lehmuid o champagne a ól, chun fuinneamh éigen na chur an hain. Ris se leis gur chordó ghlacha le cór le bhenaí brochain, agus cuairte chuirte hochtúir. Níor ga bheith sé dóigh dochtar córlach, ní raibh mór an ag corastó. Réiteach buid o leish éigen an aib. Déadach dochtúir a bheith idir ar dúnach a cholachar dó. Hannig sé plat a práis ar wala i cúnin na Sráide, an dochtar Sean Leicha, dochtar agus Manlia. Dhéanach an fear seo an gná. Hiú sé isteach agus thugad enam don chalín ag an desk. Chuir siise isteach sa siomar fethibé. Bhí an siomar plódaithe le díine. Bhí cuman na bochtanachta ar mhórmhór. Stan siad go fisrach ar an ggólaí chostasach a bhí ar. Dairí sé mí chompordach, mar go raibh gach duine ag ábhar géir, agus thug sé irish an mórd agus lig sé ar go raibh sé Alev. So, I was debating going into the thing, but it would be another half a page. So, the last Alev. Like, yeah, that one's a long one. We'll do that in another lesson. But okay.
Could you explain a little bit about lig? I don't understand.
Which one? Lig? Yeah, lig literally is main meaning, I guess, is let. Okay.
Oh, let.
So literally, it's something like let he on him. It means he pretended. You can kind of picture it, right? He let on him. He let on that he was. You can think of it that way. Yeah, he let on that he was reading.
It's things it's like something that comes out of you too, right?
Yeah, I mean, lig has a lot of different meanings. So some other time maybe I'll pull in more examples of lig, but it's various meanings. Okay, sometimes they match English, sometimes not. So let's see who wants to start here.
You always start over there, that's why I sit here.
Huh?
You always start over there, because that's why I sit here.
You want to start?
Yeah, that's when the table's on her.
Okay.
Besides, I wrote this one already.
You start back here.
Tarish the Cholam a wonk her ayolas when the carti credvasa ag gudéwai.
That's name.
Agus nuair a bhí scleithleabhar,
Shechlauer.
nua agus Berlin note airgid ina fóca agi, chuig sé chuig na Gardaí agus chug sonraí dóibh maidir leis an bors.
Okay.
Dégan á ag an tráseo gen lá. Heach sé chuig bíaláin, galanta chuin glán a caiamh. Ach ní raibh an chula
Ein Zilla.
éine heile agi inis.
Matthew.
Agus bhí imní ar Fuina Slan.
Fuina Chlancha.
How's it from
Fuina Chlancha.
Fuina Slan.
Chlancha. HL. Chlancha.
Slan.
Chlancha.
Le Tamal Anus,
the Tamil Anus,
Le Tamal Anus, the
Viach Myron in a Chian,
Myra Inakian, Agus
Urenta,
Uranta
Viach she Hospadanta Shin,
Komshpadanta Shin,
Gomiach
Gomir Air,
Lavwigel Champagne,
Jail Champagne, all Hun Fuina, Egan or her,
Anhain,
Ahe.
Arnfain,
Rishilesh gur for Doglaha, the Corla, Benny,
Rohain,
Alice Korsha,
Chochter.
Near Gal.
Wait, say it.
Oh, somebody else, Kevin,
Yeah.
okay.
Near Law, Way,
Vashe,
Vache, Geall-Cuid, Dr. Holland.
Corlach,
Ní raibh moran ag cur as dó.
Réiteach búide leis éigean
an Aib,
Ow.
Aib,
I'm.
Deach Dr. Bit just Ilnach Slaughterdale.
Yrjunach a Cholachar
Oh.
Mar sé plot a prát ar bhla ag cuine na sláide.
On Dr. Sean O'Loughlin,
a Leicha.
Licha, Dr. August Manmia,
Níach an fair seo an gná.
Yule she,
Siúil sé
Yule she.
Siúil sé is Jack agus thugan níon don Calín an desk.
Rory Shisha Ishtak Sha Shomre
Behiv,
Better.
Bhí an seomra pladath
Plodiha,
plodada le duine
the Dini.
le díine.
Bhí Cuman a Bochan
Bochtenachta,
Bochanachta Warwar.
Stan Siad, go Fias Fiorach,
go Fisrach,
go Fisra, Sarah and Golach, Costas,
Chostasach.
Costasach, and V Air.
Dairí sé mí compórdaach má go raibh gach duine ag áhach air, agus thóg sé Irish an mór, agus lig sé air go raibh sé a léamh.
Yeah, all of it.
You make the lessons, could you like space and a half or double space or something? I want to find out words.
Okay. Good time
I
for
know you
a
did it in the past and I don't know why you stopped.
I'll see what I can do. Chair Kahir, Armchair Kahir Illan, Kitchen, Shower Olka, Clock is Clog,
Plug,
Cupboard is Kofra,
Cobra,
Refrigerator Krishnor,
Krishnor,
Cup is Kupon,
Kupon,
Sink is Durchel,
Durchel,
Door is Doris,
Doris,
Phone is Phone,
Phone,
Fork is Fork,
Fork,
Window is Fwinyog,
Window,
Gate is Gata,
Gata,
Glass Glinya,
Glena,
Lamp is Lampa,
Lampa,
Bed is Laba,
Lava,
Toilet Letters,
Letters,
Dog is Madra,
Madra,
Pillow Pillar,
Pillar,
Plate Flata,
Plata,
Room is Squab,
School,
Bathroom Shomerfolka,
Shomer Folka,
Bedroom Shomerlapa,
Shomer Lapa,
Family Room Shomertiley,
what kind of room is it?
Family Room Shomertiley,
Tiling,
Chimney Shimlair,
Shimler,
Stove is Soren,
Soren,
Stairs Styra,
Styra,
The House Tap,
Chalk,
television set, television.
television,
Fireplace, tinton.
tinton,
Couch, polg. And towel is toalya.
toalya.
So Carolyn, so I'd like to share with on yellow pipes.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
All right.